What's up guys? Once again, it's James Afante, also known as Kuy James and now James Ripino. Now today guys, I'm calling it early that this might be the new king of 360 drones out there. Because hindi lang actually ito isang drone. This is actually a flying 360 camera plus an FPV drone at the same time. And eto guys yung nakakabaliw guys DJI didn't just innovate this drone, they made it more accessible. Malalaman nyo mamaya in this video. So today, we're gonna break down why the DJI Avata 360 might be the best 360 drone for creators right now. So guys, honestly, super excited na talaga ako. And for the longest time, even for drones, this is actually my, I can say, adult toys. So the box itself is pretty much very standard as you can see. With the inclusion, you can see actually below here. So tara, unboxan natin siya. Actually, meron namang mga nauna ng 360 drones na nilabas out there. And last 2025, medyo tahimik si DJI about that. But honestly, nagulat ang lahat nung nilabas niya to. Basta panoorin nyo tong video na to guys. Ito malalaman ninyo. So, buksan natin siya. So, nakabag siya, which is really nice. Pa talagang bagong DJI. Buksan natin siya. Nandun talaga guys. May science talaga every time na nag-unbox ka ng bagong DJI product. Nandun talaga yung amoy ng tagumpay. Okay, buksan natin siya. Uy, maganda yung box niya ngayon Medyo parang mas square siya, no? So mga mahilig sa box type dyan, guys. And it has a parang pangkapitan ng luggage para pag yung mga trolley, papatong mo na lang siya doon. Para siyang lunch box actually, no? Buksan natin siya. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Boom! Okay. Ano meron dito? Number 1, it has the remote. It has a... Uy! Kasama na yung landing gear, bro. It has the... Uy, ang laki ng drone pala. Ang laki niya. Josh, ang laki niya, Josh. Akala ko maliit lang siya. Akala ko kasing laki niya yung yung Neo. And I think this is the battery plus the organizer itself, the bag. Ito pong itsura niya as you can see here. Napaka ganda ng organize. I think this is one of the best DJI bag na nagawa. So, sabi muna natin siya. So, we have the guide and we have 1, 2, 3, 4 props. And we have a Type-C cable to Type-C, which can actually be a charging cable at the same time data cable, a microfiber towel for sensors and screen cameras para mawala yung mga fingerprints. And we have the battery, which actually I think involves a multi-charger and at the same time a 3 battery. Kitang-kita naman siya. Ito yung battery niya. Okay. Ewan ko alam ba yung tao na every time may bagong gamit, inaamoy ko. The drone remote itself. Again, if you have a existing remote, guys, di mo na kailangan bumili ng remote. Parang medyo mas mabigat siya compared sa traditional, I don't know kung placebo lang ba to or what, but this is the DJI RC2. I don't know kung nakikita siya dyan. So if you have an RC2, definitely gonna be the same. You have the landing gear, which is very important pag nagpapalipad ka sa mga sandy areas. Uy, ang ganda na ito Parang ito ata yung first ever na landing gear na DJI na nakuha ko ever since. And honestly, this might be the best quality landing gear na nakuha ko. And boy, this is a big drone, man. Ang laki niya. Papakita ko sa iyo guys yung comparison This is the remote. This is the drone. This is my hand. This is the drone. Ganyan siya kalaki. So, wow. So, ano nga ba talaga ang DJI Avata 360 na nilabas ni DJI? So, normally kasi guys, yung mga drones, usually they have fixed cameras, while 360 cameras is usually ginagamit sa ground lang. For example, yung DJI Osmo 360 na nilalagay mo na sa tripod. But this guys this drone combines both. You get full 360 camera experience and at the same time, an FPV drone experience. Meaning, one flight, unlimited angles, which gives you unlimited contents. Now, let's talk about the biggest flex of the DJI Avata 360. Number 1, it has a 1-inch flagship sensor. Number 2, it has an 8K 60 FPS HDR video. And number 3, it has a 120 megapixel 360 photos. This is literally insane, guys. Because in 360 content, resolution is everything. Why? Kasi guys, after mo mag-shoot, basically, ika-crop mo na lang yun into a normal video, depende sa'yo. So, if low resolution, yung sensor o yung camera output na ginagamit mo, magiging pangit yung output. But with a 8K plus 1-inch sensor, guys, dito sa Avata 360, sobrang linaw pa rito, guys, kahit i-reframe mo after the shoot. This is already, I can say, a cinema level for 360 cameras. Now, guys, here is something most people actually don't understand about this drone. It has a 10-bit D-Log color profile. So, quick explanation lang, guys, yung industry standard right now sa mga 360 drones, it's actually at 8-bit, which is actually nakaka-capture po yun ng 16 million colors in total. While the DJI Avata 360 can go up to 10-bit, 10-bit is actually equals to over 1 billion colors. So, just imagine, gaano siya kaganda compared sa 8-bit, i-compare mo na lang 1 billion versus 16 million. Meaning, this will have a smooth gradient sa mga color na sinushoot niya, sa mga sceneries, even sa gabi, mas detailed yung mga shadows, yung mga highlights, which actually gives us more flexibility in terms of color grading. So, kung content creator ka and sensitive yung mata mo, katulad ko, in terms of color profiles, this will be a very, very big deal. Now, this is one of my favorite feature, especially nung ni-research ko tong drone na to, guys, it has a dual mode system. You can switch. Pakita natin mabuti, You can switch with 360 mode. Pag 360 mode, guys, ganyan yung camera niya. It has a top camera and a bottom camera. Well, on the single mode lens, you can go into a FPV camera sa, guys. So, pag lilipad siya, guys, pag ganyan siya lumipad, nakaharap yung camera niya. Pag mag-360 drone siya, magiging ganyan po siya. As you can see, grabe. So, basically, parang may 2 drone ka na all in one. So, use cases, basically, again, it has a 360 mode for content creation, travel, or cinematic 360 camera whatsoever. It has a single lens for FPV shots or more action shots kung lulusot-lusot ka man. Kung ayaw mo ng 360 camera, you can still use this like a normal FPV drone, which is dun po kilala talaga si DJI Avata, which actually makes this drone super flexible. Now, this one, guys, this is, I can say naman, for beginners, is a really game changer. It has a integrated propeller guard, meaning protected yung mga blades mo, which actually gives you a less risk for accidents. Especially mga beginners, normally magkakaroon talaga kayo ng aksidente, guys, on any drone you do. Number 3, it will give you a safer flight experience kahit sa mga tight spaces or kahit paliparin mo to sa loob ng bahay mo, which I do not recommend, but alam ko, malikot kayo, makulit ka, gagawin mo pa rin yan. So, if beginner ka, hindi ka matatakot gamitin. And just in case, let's say makcrash mo to and babasag mo, good news, guys, DJI actually thought of this already. It comes with a replaceable lens kit with tools. So, yung 360 camera neto, which is the lens itself here, is replaceable. Now, let's talk about the DJI magic dito sa drone na to. Number 1, it has a omnidirectional obstacle sensing. Just to let you know, guys, like, tingnan mo pala tong harap na to. There's basically 1, 2 LiDAR sensors, 2 obstacle camera, 4 na camera plus the 360 camera. It also has a spotlight free tracking, meaning, guys, it has an automatic subject tracking, which can actually gives us cinematic shots kahit beginner ka. So, paano nangyayari yun? Basically, guys, magtataka kayo bakit ang remote ng DJI Avata is ganito. So, nagiging dual screen to whenever pinapalipad mo to. For example, itatrack mo yung kotse, tapos gusto mo nandun lang yung camera mo kasi 360 camera na siya. Magkakaroon ka ng isang maliit na parang shots dito na nakikita mo kung saan pupunta yung drone mo. So, pwede mong paliparin yung drone mo at the same time, napipreview yung shot mo at the same time. And ang pinakamaganda doon, pwede mong i-reframe after lahat yon after mo mag-shoot. So, kahit hindi pa perfect yung flight mo with those features, pwede mo pa rin yun ayusin later. Another huge advantage, guys, sorry na, like, sobrang daming advantage and like features na sobrang bigat ng drone na to. This is also compatible with the DJI existing controllers. So, ibig sabihin, if you have a DJI equipment in the past, kung DJI user ka na, you don't need a full setup. You can just basically just buy the drone itself with extra batteries. So, makakatipid ka na like super, like around 30,000 pesos lang bibilin mo. May bagong 360 drone ka na with FPV drone at the same time. Plus, it has a O4 Plus transmission system which actually equivalents to 20 km of range with stable long-range connection and pinakamatindi, like DJI, maraming salamat. This has a 42GB internal storage. For the first generation of drone, never ginawa ni DJI ito. Meron agad internal storage ang DJI Avata 360. So if you're a person na katulad ko na madalas nakakalimutan yung SD card, you don't need an SD card in case of emergency. Now, after all of that features, of course, pag-uusapan naman natin is yung battery and practical use of the DJI Avata 360. Well, it has up to 23 minutes of flight time. And for an FPV plus a 360 drone, I can say this is actually really solid. Now, let's talk, guys. Price. I'm sure eto na yung pinaka-tinatanong nyo. Magkano ba ang DJI Avata 360? In the Philippines, is actually expected to be around, get ready, 30,000 to 50,000 pesos only. And here's the crazy part, compared to the current industry 360 drones out there, this drone, which way more than specs than that drone, is actually more than 50% cheaper, but again, still has advanced features. So right now, we can say that this is the most solid entry point for a 360 drone camera in this space. So, is this the new king of 360 drone cameras? Honestly, the final answer, coming from my personal perspective, is a solid yes. Because DJI solved three biggest problems of this industry. Number one is complexity. Number two is price. Number three is usability. And they turn it into basically simple, powerful, and at the same time, creator, user-friendly. This is not just an innovation. This is, I can say, DJI opened the mass adoption for 360 drones camera in this year, 2026. So yun guys, that's for this one, specifically the DJI Avata 360. Once again, this is James Afante, also known as Kuy James, and now James 3.0. And if you guys are actually excited for this drone, comment down below if you want more content like this. And if in case maghahanap kayo guys ng bagsak presyo, discounted price sa DJI Avata 360, I will put a link in the description below for you to get it, again, lowest price guaranteed. And do not forget to like, follow, and turn on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one. See you there. Bye.